Well, we're back again. See if you can see the hiccups this time with the phone being on me. Those are definitely hiccups that baby has right now. Feels pretty funny. Now if I take it off, we'll see if you can see the hiccups jumping. What you see right now is a little bit of movement. And now the hiccups seem to have stopped. They're back again. I think the hiccups have stopped. I think baby's trying to kick the phone off. I don't think baby likes the phone on my belly right now. Here goes trying to kick it off again. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm 31 weeks and 4 days. About a month and a half left until we get to finally meet baby. I think all is quiet right now. We'll be back again.